Alright, YouTube, here is a Hoover Convertible that I just recently got off eBay. It's a model 707 and it's in pretty good shape. It's got some parts replaced, like the cord. This is not the original cord. And going over here, that's not a Hoover plug. It's actually a, I don't know what kind of machine that would have, what this cord would have been for, but the cord's not original, in fact, and it's got some lacerations. It's got duct tape on it, as we can see here. The switch is not an original switch. It's supposed to be a switch about the same color as almost the same color as the cord, and the bag is also a replacement. This actually looks like a bag that would have used type A bags, which it's wide enough for that to be the case. And that's about it. I don't know what the situation is, but for some reason, every time a belt gets kind of worn, it rubs on the bottom plate. But anyway, let's do a little test drive here. The headlight works, by the way. And before anyone says anything about the colors, beauty isn't everything. Like, I like avocado green. It's actually a nice 70s type color. And this hood is, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. It's Venetian gold. As we can see, it doesn't quite match the color of the base, which is a metal base, so that's good. And it does have a metal fan in it. So, aside from the 3 replacement parts, it's a good cleaner. And I've always loved these styles of hoods, so that kind of makes up for the not so pretty color. Here we go. I love how these also wind up and curve. Some nice Hoover carpet lines. Love the wraparound headlight. Yeah, and that's just the belt rubbing on the bottom plate. I don't know why these do that, but It's not really affecting anything. It is kind of shortening the belt's lifespan, but there's not much I can really do about that. Once the belt gets a little bit worn, it does that. It did that with the U4003. It sometimes does that with the Guardsman and the other convertible that I have, the U4101. So it's nothing new to me. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the Model 707. Next, I'm going after a Model 704 and a U4307. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. And before I finish that outro, videos are going to be scheduled for weekends alone. So I just wanted to give that update before I do any requests. And Alex Ma, I think is how you say that last name. Please don't delete comments if you want me to look at them. Just because I don't look at them instantly doesn't mean I don't want to. It's because I'm busy or driving or something like that. So don't delete your comments before I can look at them. The only comments I don't want to hear or see are bashing comments. Like, you know, ooh, those shakeout bags belch out dangerous amounts of dust. Hey, I'm already a smoker. I'm not as bad as I used to be because of something my cousin, the Devil Dog Leader 1987, give to me. So it's not as potent and stuff, and it kind of counters the nicotine. Anyway, that kind of stuff, and machines like more modern machines, bashing those and stuff is what I don't want to see. And also inappropriate comments, like sexual comments, like, you know what I'm getting at, and stuff like sexual questions and stuff like that. That's what I don't want to see. Requests, like, even if they're machines I don't have here at the time, I just gotta have time, and I can't do videos when I can't promise I'll be able to do videos when y'all want to see them. So anyway, once again, tell me how you liked it, tell me what y'all want to see, and I'll see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.